middle of July at Outdoor Resort Indio. Linda and I are about 5 days away from taking a trip to Oregon. We're going to go be visiting Pacific Shores and Bend RV. But at the moment, I wanted to show you what's been happening at the resort. It's gorgeous here, even though it's hot. We're going to go take a peek because they're starting to put the tile back into the steam room. And we're going to follow the 4 lots that have been getting brand new casitas. Let's go take a look. So we're just outside the cafe, and this is a good sign that they are working on the steam room. Okay, in the past 2 videos, you've seen where the tile was coming out. Now it's starting to go back in. It's looking good. This is going to be all ready for when the season starts. We're on lot 368. They're out here. We're actually working right now, making good progress. Entertainment center's all framed in. Insulation's ready. Here we are on 358. Stucco's on. Tiles staged on the roof. Guys are here working. Aha, drywall going in. This is looking good. Still amazes me, 110 degrees in the middle of July, still have green grass. We're taking a look now at lot 353. You can see they've done some more work on the landscaping. They've preserved these 3 palms because inspections are done. It's got a retaining wall going in the back too. We're going to take a look at it in just a minute. Love the tall ceilings in here. There's that retaining wall. One thing to note is when they bought this lot, there were trees on either side and the view was really narrow. But look at it now. It's all opened up. It's got a huge view. The owners really saw past those trees and saw the potential. Here we are on 396. Doesn't look like we'll be able to get inside. You see the guys have been busy. Thanks for watching. Keep checking back every couple of weeks, and I'll keep giving you updates at award-winning Outdoor Resort Indio. We'll see you next time.